A design defect implies exactly what it means. There may have been negligent design of the device or the drug that was given to you. There may have been failure to adequately give warnings about the use of the device or the drugs that were given. A manufacturing defect involves a drug or device that was adequately designed, but there was a defect in the manufacturing process. In the case of drugs, there may have been a contamination of the product. In the case of a device, the equipment used to manufacture the device may have been negligently operated, or the equipment itself could be designed improperly for the use intended. It's very important, again, that we identify the exact cause and whether it was a design defect or a manufacturing defect.